Get in now.
This storm will move into the vicinity of the Interstate 5 corridor from the Tacoma Mall into Federal Way in the next 30 minutes.
The thunder. It's so loud.
Will handle in wind gusts to 40 miles per hour. Likely with this storm, along with heavy rain.
Okay, let's get a warning away.
Lakewood South, Federal Way.
Okay, let's go outside. I'm gonna show you guys this. Ow, I'm getting pelted with hail. Guys, easy. Look at that, guys. We have a marine warning.
Weather synopsis for western Washington.
Marine
a trough
warning.
associated frontal system will move across western Washington this evening, bringing showers and scattered evening thunderstorms. Higher pressure is expected to build over the region Friday with decreasing showers and some clearing. Sunshine and warmer temperatures.
Advisory for western King, eastern Kitsap, and northwestern Pierce counties until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:24 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a storm near Tacoma, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm will move in the vicinity of the Interstate 5 corridor from the Tacoma Mall into Federal Way in the next 30 minutes. Hail up to the size of marbles, hail and wind gusts to 40 miles per hour are likely with this storm, along with heavy rain. Locations near the path of this storm include Edgewood North Hill, Lakewood South, Federal Way, Auburn, Lakewood North. If threatening weather approaches your area, take shelter in a sturdy building. National Weather Service Doppler radar also showed weak rotation with this storm. It is possible that the wind waves due to the
This is what it looks like after. Okay, guys, stop it now.
Friday,
You guys are splashing me.
wind waves 2 feet or less. Chance of morning showers. Friday night, light wind. Wind waves less than 1
Are you
foot.
guys going to
Saturday,
EAS'd this
northwest
or
wind
what?
10 knots. Wind waves 1 foot or less.
Possibility of water spout.
The marine forecast for the western Strait of Montezuma. Small craft advisory until midnight tonight. Southeast wind 15 to 25 knots, becoming southwest 10 knots. Wind waves 2 to 4
Stop
feet.
it!
Siding west swell 4 feet at 7 seconds. Showers, a chance of evening thunderstorm. Friday, south wind to 10 knots. Wind waves 1 foot or less.
That's the
West
first
swell 5
marine
feet at
warning
8 seconds.
ever in the Puget
Light
Sound.
chance of morning showers. Friday night, light wind. Wind waves less than 1 foot. West swell 5 feet at 9 seconds. Patchy fog. Saturday, east wind to 10 knots. Wind waves 1 foot or less. West swell 4 feet at 9 seconds. The marine forecast for the central strait of Montezuma tonight. East wind 5 to 15 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 20 knots. Wind waves 3 feet.